Before starting the discussion about sympathetic nervous system, I would like to discuss these three structures which are drawn on the board. The first one is spinal cord along with brainstem. This is midbrain, this is pons vernally, this is medulla oblongata. This is the cervical segment or cervical part of spinal cord. From here, the cervical spinal nerves will arise. This is the thoracic part of spinal cord. This is the lumbar part of spinal cord. This is the sacral part of spinal cord, and the last one is the caudal part. Now, this structure is the sympathetic ganglionic chain, which are two in number and located bilaterally to the spinal cord. Sympathetic ganglionic chain consists of 20 to 23 ganglia. What are these ganglia? The first one is superior cervical ganglia. It is largest of the three ganglia of cervical region. This is middle cervical ganglia. This is inferior cervical ganglia. This one is the first thoracic ganglia. And this is the 12th thoracic ganglia. So first cervical ganglia and the first thoracic ganglia, these fuse to form stellate ganglia. So this is stellate ganglia. Theoretically, superior cervical ganglia is considered to be formed by fusion of upper 4 cervical ganglia, middle cervical ganglia from 5th and 6th cervical ganglia, and inferior cervical ganglia from 7th and 8th cervical ganglia. So now there are only 3 cervical ganglia, one superior, one middle cervical ganglia. So there are 2 cervical ganglia. Now this is one stellate ganglia, and T2 to T12 there are 11 thoracic ganglia. Thereafter 4 lumbar ganglia and 4 to 5 sacral ganglia. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 11 14 plus 4 18, and these 4 to 5 will become 22 to 23 ganglia. And this last structure is abdominal part of systemic aorta or abdominal aorta. Now, what are the various branches of this abdominal aorta, the major branches? This one is celiac artery. This one is superior mesenteric artery. This is renal artery. These are genital arteries. This is representing the inferior mesenteric artery, and this is the bifurcation of abdominal aorta. The bifurcation of abdominal aorta will give rise to common iliac arteries on both sides, which will finally divide to form the external iliac and the internal iliac artery. Now, it is very important to locate some ganglia and plexuses on abdominal aorta. This is the largest ganglia of body or autonomic nervous system. That is Celiac Ganglia, and this is the branched off or segmented off part of Celiac Ganglia, which is known as aortico-renal ganglia. So this is semilunar ganglia, also termed as semilunar ganglia. So this is Celiac Ganglia. So Celiac Ganglia is located just above and lateral to the celiac artery. This is superior mesenteric ganglia, just above the superior mesenteric artery. This is inferior mesenteric ganglia. Now, these all are connected by various nerves like this. So this is a nerve plexus formed between superior and inferior mesenteric ganglia. So it may be considered as intermesenteric plexus. This is inferior mesenteric ganglia. It gives rise to few neurons which will form a plexus just anterior to the bifurcation of abdominal aorta, and this is known as superior hypogastric plexus. Now this superior hypogastric plexus gives rise to 2 nerves. These are right and left hypogastric nerve, which will again form a nerve plexus. This is inferior hypogastric plexus, and these are obviously the right and left. This is left hypogastric nerves. So this is celiac ganglia, this is superior mesenteric ganglia, this is inferior mesenteric ganglia, this is intermesenteric plexus, this is superior hypogastric plexus, these are inferior hypogastric plexus. And the nerve which is connecting the superior and inferior hypogastric plexus is termed as hypogastric nerve.